North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond 187 Victoria Street West at the Riverside Apartments. General fire alarm zone 1, keeled or pending. That's 187 Victoria Street West, Riverside Apartments for an alarm. Time for page is 19:03:20. Attention, North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond 187 Victoria Street West at the Riverside Apartments. General fire alarm zone 1, keeled or pending. That's 187 Victoria Street West at Riverside Apartments for an alarm. Time second page is 19:04:14. Wingham Station, please respond.
Fire dispatch, car 1.
Go ahead.
Page acknowledged for Wingham Station.
That's Roger. Fire dispatch, car 1.
Go ahead, dispatch, car 1.
Alarm company spoke with the key holder. They advised it was a false alarm, but I guess it's up to the fire department to cancel or not. Are you wanting that cancellation or response?
Dispatch, do we have any idea why it is a false alarm? I think we'll just send engine 1 to confirm.
And they didn't advise. Why?
Roger, thanks.
Fire dispatch, call engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 responding to 187 Victoria Street West for a fire alarm. Car 4 Alpha plus 3 belted.
That's Roger, engine 1 responding.
Fire dispatch, call engine 1.
Go ahead. Engine 1, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show engine 1 on scene. We have a multi-unit residential structure. Nothing showing. Alpha B command and mobile. We'll be investigating.
Roger, engine 1 on scene, multi-unit structure, Alpha in command, and investigating.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
Go ahead.
We made contact with staff on site. It appears there was a cooking issue in Unit 109. I've sent an entry crew of 4 in to investigate with the camera and the multi-gas meter.
Roger, you made contact with staff on site, cooking issue in Unit 109, team of 4 entering to investigate. It's 1913.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show the entry team has completed their sweep of the unit. Confirmed was a cooking issue. 0 readings on both the tick and the multi-gas. At this point, command will be terminated. Engine 1 will be clearing the scene, and we'll be leaving the residence with the property owner.
That's Roger, entry team completed sweep, 0 readings. Command terminated, engine 1 clearing. It's 1920.
Fire dispatch, call Wingham Station.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1's back in station, back in service. Could you clear off this incident, please?
Will do. Have a good night.